The convenient FS100 is a compact camcorder that records directly to removable flash memory cards. Ultra compact, light and stylish, you can take it just about anywhere. By recording to SD and SDHC memory cards, the FS100 does away with bulky media, like videotapes. Recording to a memory card also makes it simple to share movies with friends and family, and to transfer to a computer using a compatible card reader. Canon's advanced zoom delivers powerful 45 times magnification to capture even far-off events, like a concert or football match. The FS100 also showcases Canon's advanced movie-making technology, including a megapixel CCD, Digic DV2 image processor, and true widescreen to capture video in stunning panoramic detail. A microphone input gives control over audio recording by allowing you to connect to an external mic and experiment to create exciting movie soundtracks. And of course, recording to flash memory is incredibly power efficient, letting you shoot for up to 3 hours without recharging the FS100's intelligent lithium-ion battery.